I asked on Instagram the other day if anybody had a recipe for Pop-Tarts, cinnamon sugar specifically, that was wheat, dairy, gluten, sugar, soy, fruit, and nut-free, aka GiGi-Approved, if you will. But then I was like, you know what, Gigi? Don't be frickin' lazy. Why don't you create this recipe yourself? So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so this is about as good as it gets, everybody. I've been taste testing little bits and pieces here and there of this recipe, and I have to say it's freaking delicious. So what I'm gonna do right now is put it in the refrigerator so it can like solidify a little bit, more like a Pop-Tart, and then I'm gonna eat the whole situation together. It is time, everybody, it is time for me to try this Pop-Tart, or impersonation of a Pop-Tart that hopefully tastes frickin' delicious. So I put it in the freezer just to harden it up a little bit so it wasn't all wobbly and stuff when I was holding it. And this is the result. Let's see if this is good. Look at the inside. Holy shit. It's so good. It may not look exactly like a Pop-Tart you'd find at the grocery store, but it tastes just as good, if not, in my personal opinion, better, because it's so healthy and it's wheat, dairy, gluten, sugar, soy, fruit, and nut free. So please try this recipe. I promise you your mouth is gonna be happy, and I gotta go finish this right now.